Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to explain in this problem. Find the nature of the roots of 4x square minus 20x plus 25 equals to 0. Now find out the nature of the roots in this equation. Okay, first of all, here comparing this equation ax square minus bx plus c equals to 0. Here a equals to 4, b equals to minus 20, c equals to 25. Here substitute in this formula delta equals to b square minus 4ac. So what is b here? According to this formula, by the given equation, comparing b means minus 20 minus 20 whole square minus 4ac means minus 4 into a means 4 again into c means 25 equals to 0. Since delta is here 0 and ABC are real, the roots of the given equation are real and equal. Okay, thank you.